Here we are, last session. Let's go over future tense and then irregular forms, okay? Here are the endings for future tense. What's different about the future tense than all the other conjugations that we have done? You should have answered that we keep the whole infinitive. That's what should have been your answer, okay? We keep the whole infinitive whenever we do the future tense. So if I want to say hablar, I say hablaré, hablarás, hablará, hablaremos, hablaréis, hablarán, okay? If I want to say comer, I say comeré, comerás, comerá, comeremos, comeréis, comerán, okay? So that's the main difference between all the other tenses that we've done before. We're keeping the whole stem, the whole verb in the infinitive, and then adding a suffix. Okay. Now, irregular future, you just gotta memorize these because they are irregular. That's the whole point. That they're irregular. That's why they bring them to your attention, because they are very popular ones that we use all the time. Pondre is the stem for poner. Okay, so we don't say poneré, ponerás, ponerá. We say pondré, pondrás, pondrá. To put. Okay? Quer is for querer. Okay? We would not say quereré. You would say querré. Que yo querré, tú querrás, él querrá, nosotros querramos, querremos, vosotros querréis, que ellos. Hang on a minute. I'm mixing subjunctive. Forget the que. Querremos, querréis, querrán. Okay? Saber, to know. Saber, we don't say saberé, we say sabré. For salir, to leave, we say saldré, no saliré, saldré. Saldrás, saldrá, saldremos, saldréis, saldrán. Sorry. For tener, tendré, tendrás, tendrá, tendremos, tendréis, tendrán. For valer, which is to value, valdré, valdrás, valdrá, etc. And for to sell, vender, we don't say venderé, we say vendré. Sorry, not to sell. Oh my gosh. This is venir, venir, to come, vendré, vendré. Okay? These two I have circled because they are used in verb phrases. We don't say habré, myself, I habré. I would use it as a compound verb like habré caminado, I would have walked. Okay? Podré caminar, I would be able to walk. Okay? So these are used as compound verbs. You don't find them just stuck in there as just one verb. So these are used with by themselves. These have to have another verb with them. Okay? So let's practice. For poner is pondré. Yo tengo un marcador. Yo pondré este marcador encima de mi mano. ¿Ok? Pondré, pondré, yo pondré. Tú pondrás tu marcador en tu mano. ¿Pondrás? ¿Sí o no? ¿Ok? Yo querré un marcador verde. I want a blue marker. Tú querrás un marcador verde, a green marker. Tú querrás un marcador verde, green marker. ¿Ok? Sabré. Yo sabré hablar español cuando tenga 80 años. I will know how to speak Spanish when I am 80. Tú sabrás hablar español cuando tengas 80 años. ¿Ok? Saldrá, to leave. Yo saldré de mi casa mañana por la mañana. I will leave tomorrow morning from my house. Tú saldrás de tu casa. Tendrá comes from tener. Yo tendré 6 hijos toda mi vida. I will have 6 children all my life. Tendré. Tú tendrás 6 hijos en el futuro. Will you have 6 children in the future? Valdrá. Valdrá. Este marcador no valdrá mucho dinero el año que viene. This marker will not cost or will not have any value next year because it will be all used up probably in the trash can. So, ¿tú tienes algo que valdrá dinero? Do you have something that will be not cost money, that will have value, monetary value? Vendrá. Yo vendré a Buwak. No, yo no vendré. Yo vendré a mi casa después de Buak el año que viene. I will come back to my house after Buak next year. Okay? Vendré. Vendré. So, pondre comes from poner. Okay? Quer, I want. Querré, I will want. Sabre, I will know. Sabré. Saldré, saldré. Tendre, tendre, I have it. Tendré, I will have. Valdre, valdre, okay, will have value, monetary value. Vendre, vendré, okay, vendrás, vendrá, to come, okay, will come. So that's the irregular ones that you need to know. Then the subjunctive, these are the endings for the subjunctive for AR verbs. For ER and IR verbs, we studied the subjunctive for a long time. This beginning of spring, winter, and it's going to be on your test. Okay, so these are the endings. We use them always with a phrase. Remember that. That's why I have this que in here. Okay, yo quiero que tú vengas a mi casa. I want you to come to my house. Necesito que escribas tu nombre. I need for you to write the name, your name. Me molesta que no estudies. It bugs me that you don't study. Remember, you use expressions that are neutral. You know, es bueno que estudiemos. It's good that we study. Emotions. Me molesta que. Doubt. Dudo que. Desire. Hope. Quiero que. So all those things are used with the subjunctive. Okay. In English, there's no difference, but in Spanish, there's a difference. Okay. So, what I want to do is, well, we need to find, okay, when you have the subjunctive, where do you go to find the stem? You should have answered first person singular, yo, the yo form, right? So for pongo, for the verb pongo, right? For the verb poner, pongo is the first, yo pongo, right? You take the O off, and then you attach the stem. Poner is an ER verb, so you have to use these endings, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you several sentences. I'll do the first three. In these three sentences, we'll study the future tense, the subjunctive, and the nosotros commands, which I'm getting ahead of myself. Nosotros command, simply it's the nosotros form of the subjunctive, okay? So if you know how to conjugate the subjunctive, just the nosotros form is the same exact form that we use for the nosotros command. So for AR is stem plus hemos. For ER/IR is the stem plus amos, okay? So here we go. The first three I will do with you as we go, and then the second two sets I will let you do them on your own. Well, you'll stop it and then come back and do them on your own, and then check and make sure you got them right. Okay, I will put on shoes. I will put on shoes. Okay, and that's the verb poner, and we have to say it's ponerse because I'm putting shoes on myself. Okay, ponerse. So I would say yo me pongo. Sorry. Yo me pondré zapatos. Okay, future tense, I will put on shoes. Second sentence, it's good that you put on shoes. It's good that you put on shoes. Okay, if you want to guess it on your own before I do it, stop it and then play it again. Es bueno que tú, I gotta put that te in there because it's a reflexive verb, que tú te pongas zapatos. Okay? And let's do the command, nosotros command. Let's put on shoes, okay? Let us put on shoes. Let us put on shoes. We know that the nosotros subjunctive is pongámonos, so that's going to be your saying. Pongamos. You have to drop the S. Remember, there's an S here, pongamos, but when you add nos, the S goes away, okay? Pongámonos, the book explains that. Los zapatos, okay? Pongámonos los zapatos. So that would be the nosotros command, okay? Let me give you 3 sentences for you to do. These are not going to be reflexive, they'll just be normal, other than the future tense is irregular, okay? Salir, remember, what's the stem? That's the stem, and then you have to have the ending for, that's only for the future tense, okay? So you will leave early. You will leave early. I'm going to keep on going. You go ahead and pause it and try to answer it. And after I write all 3, I will go back and answer all 3, okay? It's necessary that you leave early. That you leave early. Okay? And the last one, it's let's not leave early. Okay, that's the nosotros command. Okay? So do those 3, and those have to do with salir. I'm going to write another 3, and they have to do with venir, which is to come, right? And the future tense is vendrá plus the ending. They will come at 5. This is the first one. They will come at 5. Okay? I want them to come at 5. This is a subjunctive. I want them. It's a desire or hope. Them to come at 5. And let us come at 5. Let's come at 5. Let's come at 5. Okay? I'm going to go back to the beginning. You will leave early. Tú saldrás temprano. Okay? We don't have to put the tú in there if we don't want to. We could just say saldrás temprano, and we know because of the ending that it's tú. It's necessary that you leave early. Es necesario que salgas temprano. Okay? It's very important to go to the yo form, because sometimes the yo form is irregular, like in salir is salgo. Let's not leave early. No salgamos temprano. Okay? This is the form that we use for the nosotros subjunctive. Now remember, only in the tú positive and tú negative are there different forms. All the other ones, there's just one form for positive and negative. All you do is you stick a no in front of it and it makes it negative. Like if I want us to leave early, I would have said salgamos temprano. Okay? They will come at 5. You should have written vendrán a las 5. Okay? I want them to come at 5. Quiero, that's I want, right? Yo quiero que ellos, that they vengan a las 5. I want them to come at 5. You got to go to the yo form, vengo, okay, to get the stem. Let's come at 5. Vengamos a las 5. Vengamos a las 5. That's the nosotros command. It's the same as the nosotros subjunctive, okay? So that is all for today, and actually for the year. It has been a blessing to teach you guys. You have been, I probably can say you've been my best level 2 class, where I've had a bunch of students, and you all have been very consistent and fun to teach. So God bless. Estudien mucho para ese examen. Adiós.